Just had a huge success with some filming. Videos look sick.
Hi, I'm Shane.
And I'm Erica.
For the past 3.5 years, we've been traveling the world together.
People always ask us how we get to travel so often and go to so many places, and we want to show you how we do it. So come on this adventure with us.
We are the Nowhere Couple. Security was a breeze, and since the airport was almost empty, we made it to the United Club in no time. We were scanned in and enjoyed a quick free breakfast before our time at the lounge came to an end. But before we knew it, we were making our way to the gate and boarding our flight to Seattle, Washington.
We have been on 56 flights, but we haven't seen anything quite like this, and this is why we typically don't enjoy flying with United, but I mean, sometimes they can simply be unavoidable. But despite the inconvenience, we landed safely and on time in Seattle. Now we have the weekend to enjoy and see all of the astonishing sights again. So we got off the plane, quickly went to baggage, and then we headed to the Hilton in downtown Seattle, checked in, got the key, settled in, and then it was time to go to Pike Place.
Outside the front of the market here.
So we just got to Pike Place, excited to do some shopping.
It's our second time here. The first time around it was kind of just nighttime and we didn't really get to see that much open, so excited to be back at it in the day now.
Last time we got to see a lot of fish shops. Shane can't have fish though because he'll die. So
Very allergic.
We had to keep a safe distance with them, but this time we hope to see some, gift shops open, bookshops, things like that. They have a lot of options, so a lot of cool things.
Just looking forward to seeing what else we have, staying away from that gum wall that seems disgusting. Okay, so the last time we were here, we ate at this place, Beecher's Handmade Cheese, and it was pretty good. So I would recommend it. We're not going to go in right now, but it was pretty good.
We got sandwiches last time, along with some cheese to go, I think. So excited to get something new.
Yeah, some mac and cheese too is really good. And you also could just sit here and watch them make it, which is, it's pretty crazy. They make it in these gigantic tubs. So it's definitely worth a visit if you're a fan of cheese.
We decided to end the day with some drone shots of Seattle.
Alright, so I was able to just get the drone up next to the Space Needle. You can see up there. Around 200 meters, not bad. It's about 605 feet to the observation deck. Can't wait to show you guys the video.
Just got Space Needle tickets.
We'll see you guys at the top. Alright, we just made it to the top of the Space Needle. Amazing views up here. Looking like we're gonna have some beers and just chill and hang out and enjoy these amazing views.
Due to COVID, the whole way up, we had to go 82 seconds without talking because if we did, I guess it lightens the chance of passing it on.
As if elevators weren't already awkward enough.
Just got to the moving section of the Space Needle and it's kind of insane. It's making me feel dizzy. Check it out.
We got given an extra beer because I had to change the keg. Only that left. Plus this bad boy, not bad.
Nice.
When we got lucky, we ended up getting a table right away, and look at that view. Not bad.
This is unbelievable.
So our next plan is to head to Bainbridge Island, which is apparently home to the best ice cream on the West Coast. So we will be the judges of that and see what happens.
Late as usual.
Bainbridge Ferry, we're running onto it basically. We'll see what happens.
The guy was saying, go, go, go. Oh. Like, he's going to buy a ticket. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so we are outside of Mora Iced Creamery, what is considered the best ice cream on the West Coast.
I got cheesecake with brownies in a cup.
And I got dulce de leche, which I love very much, and we'll let you know if it is the best.
Can't wait to have it.
Oh my god. Out of 10, what do you think?
Oh my god. 9.2.
Yeah, I'm up there too.
Wow.
So
Wow.
good. It's so good.
That's good. And it's so good. It might be the best I've had in my life even. I'll say
it's
that.
some of the best ice cream ever, for sure.
It's so good. Shane decided to take some videos and
Yes, my phone died in the middle of me flying my drone. Luckily I have the home button on the controller, which was able to bring the drone back and hover it above us so I could hear it, and manually land it again, and fortunately didn't have to lose it. So glad I got it back, and glad I got the video I was after.
I can't wait to see what he took. He usually takes awesome stuff and has a lot of talent, so.
And next we're gonna be going to a park that overlooks all of Seattle, and we're gonna watch the sunset from there.
What's up?
Check out this view.
Hey guys, it's like maybe 6:15, 6:20 a.m. in Seattle. We just got up a few minutes ago. Shane wanted to take some photos at this time at Pike Place. I think of me laying down even too. So we'll see how those come out. They should be looking cool. But I am exhausted. I mean, I thought I was used to getting up at 6:15 in the week, but not on the weekend. So we just got to Pike Place at 6:25 a.m. and check out how empty it is. It's so nice. In between drone spots, we also went to the first Starbucks to get coffee, and I got a cute mug too.
So we have all the merchandise here. It's for display only, and if you want to get something, just let the person on the register know, and they're gonna get you a new one, okay?
Okay.
And the lights are from here.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Hey all, in just a few minutes we will be on this guy.
Not a big fan of heights, but how bad could it be?
Hopefully the view is nice.
Okay, so we are just going up now in the Ferris wheel. I'm not a big fan of heights. I'm pretty uncomfortable being up this high. It is some beautiful views from up here though. As you can see, the city behind us is just beautiful. The Space Needle is off to our right, and to our left is Mount Rainier and the sports stadiums. And the other way is all just the water, and it is just a gorgeous, gorgeous view from up here. Oh, seals!
Seals? Oh my gosh! Look, I see.
There's two.
Oh my god! That is so sweet. I haven't seen wild seals swimming like that. And now that we've just gotten off the wheel, time to do some wine tasting.
You know we love our wine, and we've heard that there's great wine up here in Seattle, so we're gonna have to try it for ourselves. So all in all, everything was pretty delicious, and if you ever find yourself in Seattle or anywhere in Washington State, we would definitely recommend getting any of the local wines. You definitely won't be let down.
Hello guys, it is the last day in Seattle. We just got some chai tea lattes and excited to see what we do today. Stay tuned. We got Shane taking some photos of this amazing view. Finally time to leave Seattle, sadly. Gotta go check out at the hotel. Catch a flight in a little bit, but luckily we'll be sleeping well on the way home.
Okay, so sitting here right outside of our gate in Seattle Tacoma Airport, we were fortunate enough to get upgraded, so we'll be flying in first and then in lay flat beds for the red-eye flight home from San Francisco, and we're really looking forward to that, and we'll check in when we're in San Francisco.
We had a quick layover once we landed in San Francisco. Although we don't like flying United, these business class seats really did the trick. Thank you for tuning into this episode of The Nowhere Couple as we ventured through Seattle. We just wanted to give you some background info about how we booked this. So we booked the Hilton in downtown Seattle for $250 for 3 nights, as well as round-trip tickets from Newark Airport to Seattle for $430, and that was actually before we used an e-credit that we had from a previous trip to San Diego. Overall, the hotel was definitely great. The amenities were fantastic. It was in a really good location for everything, and we were able to walk pretty much everywhere starting at the hotel.
Yeah.
Which is important to us, and you guys should always take into account location, especially if you're going to be paying for Ubers or taxis. That kind of stuff can add up. It's always best to walk if you can.
So we typically like to walk places in cities, and that means when we book hotels, we typically like to go on Google Maps and find how long of a walking distance it is between the hotel and any, sightseeing places we would want to go to, and that usually helps us give a good, pick a good hotel. But that being said, especially, this is the second time we went to Seattle, and this time we especially noticed a big homeless issue. When we walked the hotel to basically any spot, we often passed a big tent community of those who seem to be in need. So that being said, Shane and I have decided to donate to the Seattle Homeless Outreach, which is an organization that donates to homeless people and those in need. Supplies them with things like tents, food, water, hygiene tools, basic necessities. So if you would like to also help out with that, then we highly suggest, doing what you can.
We will include the link to their website in the description of this video, for sure. So thank you for watching our first episode of The Nowhere Couple, and we'd like to say that these will get better as we go on. This is our first attempt for one, and we do thank you for watching. So have a good day, and we'll see you out there again. Peace.